Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to clear cache on Instagram on your iPhone device. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead over to your settings app, or find the settings app, tap on it. Now tap on general. Okay, tap on general, and then here we are going to find iPhone storage. It's this one. So you're gonna want to tap on it. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, just go ahead and find Instagram. Okay, this one. So tap on it. Now all you got to do is just tap on offload data. Okay, it says here, this will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps the documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. So you have two options in here. First one is offload or delete. Okay, this will delete the app and all related data from this iPhone. Now, if you have a glitchy Instagram app, I would highly suggest you to just straight up delete the app and reinstall it. Okay? If you just want to clear cache, tap on offload data, offload, and just wait for the process to finish. All right? And here, tap on reinstall and wait for it. All right? And again, if you want to fix your Instagram app, if it's glitchy or it's having problem, deleting it and reinstalling it once more will help fix the issue. Okay, so once this one is finished, well, your cache is cleared. So just wait a bit. As you can see here, it's done. You can now go ahead and open up Instagram and your cache is cleared. All right, that is how you clear cache on Instagram on your iPhone device. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.